everyone, and welcome to the 12 days of Christmas, and today is day 7. For this project, I decided to make another project using the Dollar Tree Christmas cards, and this is what I made. I made hot cocoa pouches, and you probably recognize this project from last year. I did make one last year, but I thought I would recreate it to include it in this series because I am trying to make quick and easy projects, something that you can easily mass produce and it doesn't take much time. I have 2 different sizes of cards that you can get from Dollar Tree. You can see the size difference right there. This was really fun to make. I really did enjoy making them last year. I had made like 40 of them. And now this year, I never saw these cards last year, and I like that these are bigger, so that's why I thought that these would be perfect for those mug treats. These that you can find at Dollar Tree as well, but you get a better deal at Walmart. And then these clips are also from Dollar Tree. The bows, some of these bows are from Dollar Tree and some of them are from Walmart. And these actually are from Dollar Tree. You can see a size difference as well. Dollar Tree is a little bit smaller, which I thought went perfect with this. And that is my project, you guys. Now the smaller ones do have the hot cocoa pouch, as you can see, and it has a candy cane. I didn't add a candy cane with the mug treats because I didn't think it was necessary. And the reason why I add this paper clip is just so the stuff inside doesn't come out. So that's my project for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful on creating last minute gifts for your coworkers, neighbors, family, friends, to whomever. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, next up is Elizabeth Garza. Bye everyone. Hello everyone, so I thought I'd share with you how I made the hot cocoa pouches. So I made them using Dollar Tree cards. And here are the cards I'm going to use. You can also use the smaller ones. You can see the difference in size right there. I also use these paper clips. These mug treats you can find at Dollar Tree, but you get a better pricing at Walmart. And these bows, well actually these that I already made are from Dollar Tree, but you can also find these at Walmart, especially right now this time of the year. This is what they come in. They come in a tube. But you can see the size difference is just a little bit bigger, the ones from Walmart. And that's about it. And then some hot glue, some candy canes, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to work with the bigger cards because I want to be able to put the mug treats in there because I think they would fit better in these, as you can see, because it is bigger. And the hot cocoa ones can be used with using the smaller cards. So all you're going to need is some hot glue and a card. So I'm going to seal the bottom. And now I'm going to seal the side. Going to hot glue this side. That's about it. That's all you do. And here is your pouch, as you can see. And this should fit perfectly in there. So let's do that 2 more times. Okay, now that I've sealed these up, you can see it is a pouch, and now I can add my treats in here. This one I got from Walmart, and this one actually comes with the icing, so that's kind of neat. Now let's work on the paper clips. This is another super easy project. I use a 7/8 punch. I'm just going to punch 3 of them out. Again, I'm going to use hot glue. And what I do is I put a big glob of glue, my paper clip, and then cover it up with that punch that I just made. So let's do that a few more times. Okay, so the reason why I added these paper clips is just so that the stuff inside doesn't fall off, but you don't have to, but it just adds a little bit more to your packaging, because I honestly wouldn't add anything else, because the whole purpose of this project is for it to be quick and simple, something that you probably need to mass produce, and that's the reason why I would keep it simple as possible. All right, thanks so much for watching and enjoy the rest of this series. Bye everyone.